Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You have admin access. Now start 360 total security and focus on the dashboard. First, click the tray icon or open from start. This puts you where change is live. Once done, navigate to the protection or settings area so you can pause shields. Make sure to save any files before pausing. This first step gets you directly into controls to stop real-time protection temporarily, rather than hunting through menus later, so you save time and avoid mistakes. Now locate the real-time protection, antivirus, and firewall toggles in settings. Use the clear, basic, or advanced protection pane depending on your version. Toggle each shield off, then choose the temporary duration, pick 1 hour, 4 hours, or until reboot to avoid permanent changes. When prompted, accept the user account control confirmation to apply the pause. This ensures the program stops active scanning, but keeps your configuration intact, so you can restore protection quickly. Finish by checking the main dashboard. It should display paused or show which shields are disabled. When your task is done, re-enable protection manually from the same toggles or reboot the system if you used an until reboot pause. If something goes wrong and the UI won't accept changes, restart the 360 service or use Task Manager to end and relaunch the app. That usually clears transient errors. As a single troubleshooting tip, reinstalling over the current version fixes corrupted components without losing settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.